Starry and Spectrum represent two fundamentally different approaches to internet service. Understanding their key differences helps consumers make informed decisions about their internet provider. The most fundamental difference lies in their technology. Spectrum uses a hybrid fiber coaxial network, combining fiber optic cables with traditional coaxial cables for the last mile to homes. Starry takes a completely different approach, using fixed wireless technology with millimeter wave bands to deliver internet directly to apartment buildings and condos. The availability difference is dramatic. Spectrum operates across 41 states, making it one of the largest internet providers in America. In stark contrast, Starry operates in only 5 major markets: Boston, Denver, Los Angeles, New York, and Washington, D.C., focusing primarily on urban apartment buildings. Their service philosophies also differ significantly. Spectrum focuses on convergence, integrating internet with mobile, television, and voice services into bundled packages. Starry takes a simpler approach, focusing on straightforward pricing, fast upload speeds, and bridging the digital divide with transparent, contract-free service. These fundamental differences in technology, availability, and service philosophy create distinct value propositions. Spectrum offers widespread availability with integrated services, while Starry provides focused, simplified internet service in select urban markets. Now we'll compare Spectrum and Starry across 4 critical factors: speed, reliability, price, and availability. This detailed analysis will help determine which provider offers better value. Starting with internet speeds, Spectrum offers 3 main tiers: 100 megabits per second, 500 megabits per second, and 1 gigabit per second. They're currently rolling out automatic speed upgrades, boosting some customers to 400 or 600 megabits per second at no extra cost. Starry offers speeds from 30 megabits per second up to 1 gigabit per second. However, Starry's key advantage is its fast upload speeds, which are typically much faster than traditional cable providers like Spectrum. Spectrum actually delivers speeds above their advertised rates, with customers typically getting 109% to 122% of promised speeds. However, this performance can vary during peak usage hours. For reliability, Spectrum uses a hybrid fiber coaxial network, which can experience slowdowns during peak hours when many neighbors are online simultaneously. This shared bandwidth model affects consistency. Starry achieves 99.9% reliability using fixed wireless technology. Unlike mobile networks, Starry uses dedicated fixed sending and receiving points, providing more consistent performance throughout the day. Regarding pricing, Spectrum is implementing a $2 monthly increase on legacy plans starting July 2025, citing rising operational costs. While they offer no contracts and unlimited data, equipment fees may apply. Starry offers flat monthly billing with no surprise fees. They provide no contracts, no data caps, and waive all equipment fees, including Wi-Fi router rental. This transparent pricing model eliminates hidden costs. Availability is where these providers differ dramatically. Spectrum serves 29.9 million customers across 41 states, making it one of the largest internet providers in America with extensive rural and suburban coverage. Starry operates in only 5 markets: Boston, Denver, Los Angeles, New York, and Washington, D.C. Their service is primarily limited to apartments and condominiums in these metropolitan areas, with no immediate expansion plans. Based on this comprehensive comparison, experts recommend Starry over Spectrum for most buyers where available. Starry's advantages include faster upload speeds, transparent flat-rate billing, and free equipment, making it the better value proposition despite limited availability.